Welcome back. Today we're gonna take a look at. No, we're not gonna take a look at TA. We're gonna be taking a look at comments because I am still a very small channel, so I can still afford to do these kind of things to address all the comments. And yeah, this is what what's Fun Friday is for, right? So let's get straight into it. TechWorld says Q&A, please. This was actually on the 26th of January, right? Top 40. On the 25th of January, we already did Q&A. Do you see the logo over here? Do you see the logo over here? Yeah, that's Q&A for you. We did it yesterday. So check out yesterday. We did it. Risk52. Hey, Skinny. Hey, buddy. Big but silent fan here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I knew that the Skinny Pink line is a 314 moving average, but you're not mentioning that on your videos. I do mention it from time to time. It's just that every video there will be somebody new, and of course, you know, as a first timer, you wouldn't understand what's the scheme. Yeah, but over time, you will see me mention it over and over again. From time to time, and eventually, you know, or if you ask the question, I mean, if someone who is so genuinely curious that he or she would leave a comment, then I will be more than happy to answer it. And yeah, just tell you it's just a simple moving average, you know, the 314 simple moving average. This is your first time mentioning it in the TA video. I do mention it though, but you know, just from time to time, right? I mean, if you watched every of my video, you would know that I do it actually from time to time. So yeah, it's just that it so happens that you caught it on the 26th of January, right? After that, you're keeping it a secret. Yeah, it's kind of a secret, open secret, I guess. But since it's not a secret, I think that you can tell it more in your videos, sure. So you can attract more people so that that they do not understand what you're talking about and stop watching your vids. You're the best, and I love watching your channel every day. Peace. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Risk. I absolutely appreciate it. Dijon says VeChain around $1 next bull. Sub 1 cent would be all in. Don't miss that chance. Okay, let's connect. Oops. Where are we? You were talking about what was it? VeChain, right? I think we took a look at VeChain. Did I say sub 1 cent? Yeah, we were saying that possibly we could be going back down, possibly, right? Because the thing is, we still have a target over here at 1.23 cents, so maybe we could still hit a bit lower, or I mean, of course, best case scenario is we just break upwards, and yeah, again, we have to see how things go first though. We shall see how things go, but VeChain is one of the coins that we are actually looking at, because I think that once China starts its recovery, things are going to get insane again, and VeChain is, you know, a Chinese coin, so you would want to have some exposure in some of the Chinese coins as well, not just VeChain. You know, there's also the Ethereum killer, so-called Ethereum killer, right? If you are the class of 2022, you would not know what I'm talking about. There's also yeah, another, you know, Chinese coin that the founder said that he wanted to send satellites, you know, to validate blocks on. I mean, on I don't know what he's talking about. He says he wants to launch a satellite, but I don't know. I don't know how is it right now, but I haven't been keeping up with the coin. So yeah, VeChain has a potential. Subash says, give us some discount to join your Patreon. Oh, Subash, we give discounts every single year. It's just that during year 1, you're not gonna feel it, but year 2, you get the discount. Year 3, it gets even higher. Year 4, it just gets higher and higher and higher, and your discount just gets more and more and more and more. Which means that because of inflation, right, the price will continue increasing. Because inflation is just absolutely insane right now, and I don't know if inflation is ever going to come back down. Let me give you an example, right? Trading economics, Poland inflation. Do you know that the inflation in Poland is actually 18%? Do you know how crazy it is? Because one of the boys, you know, one of us is actually is Polish, and he's living in Warsaw, and he says inflation is absolute insane. It's just stupid, crazy, insane. Now, how in the world do you want to, I mean, how can you, you know, 70, 80%, this is crazy, this is absolute madness. But this is inflation. And so because of that, we will continue raising prices every single year. But if you came in, let's say, for example, 2022, you will always be paying 2022 prices, whatever it is that, is in 2022. So because the reason is we reward loyalty. Because loyalty and trust is something that is so rare in the world of crypto. You don't know who to trust, and people are usually not loyal, and they are just there to take advantage of you. And then, again, there's just no trust and loyalty. And so because of that, we treasure loyalty, we treasure and we value loyalty and trust. So that's why the reward comes in. It kicks in year 2, and it kicks in even more, right? So you will get your discount eventually. You will not feel it now. You won't even have to ask it, to be honest. A lot of our boys, they have been around since 2019. So 2020, 2021, 2022, it's already year 4 for them. And there you go. Freddy says, can you tell me more about your Patreon preview membership? Thanks, Stud. All right, let's take a quick look at it. Okay, let's open my Patreon. Wait, hang on. I can do it here, right? Patreon.com. Skinny Motor, yes, sir. So we have 3 different levels. Only you will be just, you alone. And if you want to learn things really, 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 really fast, then this is for you, right? Because I will be showering you with all my attention. I will set everything aside and I will make sure that you understand what I'm talking about. And this will be to accelerate your understanding of technical analysis, right? Preview would be a sneak peek of what we do in Discuss Tier. Okay, it's a bit confusing. Daily preview, Discuss Complete, only you, sorry. So okay, I think I should change this to Complete though. I think I should. Okay. I think I should. So it's just a sneak peek of what we do in Discuss Tier. Normally in a Discuss Tier, we have learning videos, have full access to it. You can watch how I do technical analysis, everything. It's 100% transparent to you, and you will eventually pick up my skills once you keep watching it. Every week you watch it, week in, week out, day in, day out. I will be publishing daily videos as well, and you will kind of understand what I'm saying eventually. Okay, let me just show you what I mean, right? Patreon.com. We go to published. Let me just check if there's any information that I do not want to be seen here. Nope. Okay, so this is the published page for the posts every day. You will get a video, right? And we will take a look at all the coins that we have in our watch list, right? Okay, let me just go back to here, right? Let's say we go to here. There is a coveted watch list, right? This is my whole list of watch lists. We do trade stocks as well, though. So Asian stocks, this is all the coins in Binance, but all the BTC pairs, perpetuals, all the perpetual pairs, Binance USD, all the USD pairs, and then we look at stocks in Europe as well. We look at Forex as well. Anything that has a chart that can be plotted on a chart, we can trade it. Anything at all, absolutely any asset class. It doesn't matter if it's Forex, stocks, commodities, gold, silver, cow dung. You can even trade cow dung. Hot. Okay, this is the one. Hot, coming in hot. So this is the one. So there are 45 coins. If you look here, there are 45 coins that we're looking at right now in our hot watch list. From every day we will share 3 coins. Over here, 3 coins. So let's say, for example, let me just go to last week's Friday, right? Because today's Friday. Friday feels. Okay, wait. Let me check first. If there's anything, is it clear? Can I share this? Any comments? No? Okay. So if you look over here, so this is the coins. These are the coins that we're looking at, right? On Saturday, you will get 3 different coins as well. On Monday, but the thing is that we are, usually we'll be looking at the watch list, those that are on our radar, right? And these are the 3 coins. QNT, hey, tech. Where's tech? tech world. Yeah, so last week we really, I mean, these are three of the coins that we're looking at, right? We feel that there's potential over here for a trade, maybe for a trade, for investment. I'll mention it in more detail in the videos. So this is what you call the daily videos, and yeah, wait, hang on. Let me just go here. Right, and then yeah, daily take and few low risk, high reward trades. Right, but discuss is where you want to be in, right? Because there is no Discord in the preview tier. There is Discord over here, and so this is where we are right now. Let me just see first. Wait, hang on. I need to check for sensitive information. So yeah, so these are the tiers that we have. These are the Moon Hunters. You get your own channel. You can post your whatever that you find that is interesting, or your trades. I will take a look at everybody's trade, and then I'll give you comments on how things are for you, right? And other asset classes as well. So yeah, this is how you do. Total TA is the one that you want to be looking at, because this is where I take a look at your findings, your drawings, and I'll let you know whether if you're taking unnecessary risk or if you're doing really well. You get feedback from me, and of course I will take a look at it in your individual channel as well, and we will take a look at it each other, right? Because there are, one pair of eyes you can only see like so much charts, but if you have like 20, 30 pair of eyes or 100 pair of eyes, you can see so much more. So that's the reason why we have a community, and we are pack animals, right? Humans are packs. We thrive in packs. So that is why we have Discord for that. And yeah, you will also have the full learning videos. You will learn how to, how to read charts, right? I will teach you. Wait, let me see, patreon.com learning video. Okay, it's not here. Patreon.com published. Hang on, I'm getting it. I go to my page, and then you will see. Okay, there's some sensitive info here. Let me just show you what you would want to see. Hang on, I'm coming. Yeah, so these are the learning videos. These are the learning videos, and yep. So yeah, you will learn how to read chart patterns. You will learn about risk management and motivation. And this is any of this with an asterisk is. Those are the learning videos that you have access to in daily, right? But in Discuss, you have the full thing, right? After a while, you will realize that actually the Discuss tier, where you get full access to the Discord community, that is where you want to be in, actually. So yeah, there you go. Going back to where we are. Yeah, so I hope that answers you about the preview membership. But in any case, I would still recommend coming in to take a look, see what we're all about, whether if trading is for you or not. Because this is a monthly thing, I don't lock you in for like years, 1 year, 2 years, 10 years. Come in, take a look, 1 month, 2 months, maybe 3 months or 4 months. If you think this is for you, then you can actually save if you pay annually, right? 1 month free. You just pay for 11 months. So that is what I would recommend. Coming in to Discuss. Take a look, see if this is for you, because trading is not for everybody. And yeah, there you go. Hope it clarifies things for you. Freddy! Kate says, as a technical analyst, how much merit do you put on fundamentals? Thank you for your videos. I learned a lot. How much do I put on fundamentals? Okay, the reason why we would look at fundamentals is to try to marry it with technicals. So sometimes we might come across a very high quality chart pattern. And so if we see something very high quality, we might look at the fundamentals and try to find a reason, whether if there's something behind it, whether if there's smoke, whether if there's rumors, right? Because there's no smoke without fire. And we try to find out if there's something. If there's nothing, then probably this is insider trading. The big whales are accumulating, and that's the beauty of technical analysis. We can see what the whales are doing, and the whales usually leave clues. and we specialize in identifying the clues. So yeah, but sometimes we come across the fundamentals first. There's something launching at a particular date, and once we see the date for that particular thing, we will move on to the charts. Because sometimes things may have already started moving before the date comes in, right? And by the time the event happens at that particular date, it may have already been too late, right? So it could be a buy the rumor, sell the news event. And so that's why technical analysis will tell you whether if that move has already started or not, or whether if that move is still in its accumulation phase. If the move is still in its accumulation phase, then yes, we can actually jump in before that break comes in. I mean, of course, we have to see a high quality tradable chart pattern first before we commit into anything. So that is how we view things, right? If we view fundamentals first, it would give us trade ideas, but we still need to see it on the charts as well. If you don't see it on the charts, then we can't just blindly go in, because it will go against risk management, right? Because we have proper risk management strategy, because things can always go wrong. You never know. Let's say, for example, during the event, let's say they're supposed to launch something, and then things get postponed, right? Charles Hoskinson is he's a fan of postponing things, right? So yeah, there you go. If you've been around since the launch of Cardano, you will know how far Charles Hoskinson has been postponing things. So anyway, that's another story for another day. I did a video on it though. One of the shots I did it on Cardano. Wait, let me just see if I can find it for you. YouTube Skinny Moon Hunter. Let me search for Cardano. Cardano in 1 word. Yes, you should watch this. This is quite a. I mean, this is a funny video. I don't know. I think it's very funny. Again, we are. When it comes to trading, putting on trades, we are actually neutral, right? I mean, of course, we have our own opinions and all, but when it comes to trading, we're neutral. If we see it on the charts, right? If we see it on the charts, we are taking it, right? If we are taking it, right? There you go. Where are we? Thanks for the TA. Thank you very much. Welcome, Vimala. Economy forecast says I've had the same views on Mana and Solana as I mentioned about Sen. BTC short term, I meant about within 1 or 2 years. Oh, okay. He says, oh no, I'm in the video. Happy New Year, Skinny. By the way, forgot to mention it. Happy New Year's to you. Luis says, total crypto 123 includes stable coins? I think so. So if let's say we go to Google, right, we do a simple search. Does total include stable coins crypto? Right, trading view. Oh, this is token of cryptocurrency excluding major stable coins. Ah, really? Is it? Okay, no, this is just ideas. Does total? Okay, let me just include crypto market cap include stable coins. No. Okay, I'm not much. Okay, here we go. What's the difference between total 2, and others crypto market symbols? Total shows total market capitalization of the top 125, excluding BTC, there's total 3 as well. So if we look at the cryptocurrency market cap page, right? These are the charts, right? But if you look over here, total market capitalization dominance percentage, it includes Tether. It includes USD coin, USDC. So I am going to assume that it does include stable coins as well. In my opinion, of course I could be wrong, but I think it does though. I think it does. I could be wrong, but I think it does. So yeah, good question. I'm not too sure myself, but I think it does. I think it does. Anyway, yep. So I guess I've addressed everything. Hope you guys have a great weekend ahead of you. Again, don't be shy. Leave a comment if you ever feel like telling me anything. Thank you very much, Risk, for it. And yeah, be more active, I guess. Have a great weekend. See you in the next daily. Hope you guys have have something great to do. Yeah, I know I'm talking. See you. All right, see you. Ta-ta. Bye bye.